In other news though, Jeff Bezos, who happens to be the founder of Amazon and the current CEO, has decided to step down at age 57, and he is about 200 billion richer than 30 years ago when he first started the business. Is this going to have any impact at all on e-commerce in Africa? And the long and short of it is basically no, because Amazon is actually not operational in Africa, and if it is not operational in Africa, its boss stepping down wouldn't change much. What is likely to happen has to do with the replacement for Jeff. Andy Jassy. Andy is the head of Amazon Web Services, and Amazon Web Services contributes substantially to the revenue stream or the income of Amazon. Amazon Web Services, however, is operational in Africa. They are stationed in South Africa, providing lots of value for the continent. And once Andy assumes office, it is likely that he is going to double down on his investment in his brainchild. He has been with Amazon since 1997 and has played a huge part in the development of AWS. He might invest in it, and that means that some of that investment will be seen by the continent here in Africa. So in terms of e-commerce, there is very little that might change once Jeff steps down, but in terms of the AWS, for the short term, it is likely that there is going to be some meaningful investments here on Africa. We will try to do a video on why Amazon is not in Africa and when we think they will be in Africa. Well, this has been ABC Africa Business Center. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.